BBD, Big Beautiful Dog.
И вот так вот пускай вымокает. Душа верит, что ты его до сих пор сюда не вывозил.
This like amazing huge dog. Such a pretty color. Oh my God, he's like massive. What's his name? Is this the same for now?
Look at your feet, they're so big.
I think he needs a double poop bag when you take him walking.
Okay, he needs a triple actually. He just walked in. It's not my dog, and I just saw him walking like 3 bags easily.
He's a lovely dog.
Since we started on this subject.
Hi, sweetheart.
His
You
eyes
are
are beautiful.
You are so lovely. Oh, you're so lovely. Yes, you're a nice puppy. You're a nice puppy. Yes,
How old is
you
he?
are.
17 months.
Oh, he's a baby.
He's just a puppy.
He's just
He's got another 40
yes, you
pounds
are.
to gain.
Oh, he's
Yes,
just
you
a
are.
puppy. She's like the dog
You're just
person.
a baby. Yes, you are.
Wow. He's really lovely. Now, so you're not the owners?
He's the owner.
How did you choose this dog?
He's ready to take a picture, huh?
Yeah, she wants to take a picture. Yeah. Did you find this dog in the United States?
So in my school, we interview the families with the students register. And in the school I was teaching at, the families were from 80 countries. This is like a normal high school.
Just one high school.
One high school, 80 countries, and they spoke 30 languages. This is a fact. I mean, our guidance department. So, you know, you think about Spanish, French, Vietnamese, it goes way beyond that, you know, in the DC area.
What's the breed again?
This guy